Oh, excuse me. I have steel eyelets. These are O1 tool steel. I machine these on the CNC lathe. I have a pusher, a bar pusher that pushes a 10-foot bar of material, 5/8 material, and it just keeps catching the part. It has a little parts catcher, and turn them around, and I machine a radius on the other side, so I have to do a chucking operation, and then they're ready for heat treat. And I bought this oven. I found it on Amazon, but I ended up buying it from the seller, the direct seller, or I don't know, they're not the manufacturer, they're a retailer called Vevor. This is a Vevor oven, heat treating. Really, it's made for pottery, ceramics, and stuff like that. The display is this goes to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, I don't know how much that is in Celsius, but this display is only in Celsius, so I had to do a little math, Google math. 815 degrees Celsius is the temperature that I'm heat treating these parts for 15 minutes. So again, it's O1 tool steel. 1 means it has 1% carbon. O is it's ideal for oil hardening, which means I'm going to drop these eyelets from 1500 degrees into a bath of oil, and I have to do it as soon as possible, meaning like I had 20 parts in here, and it was taking me too long to unload 20 parts, and so by the time I got to the 20th part, it was probably like 1200 degrees, and it wasn't getting the proper hardness. So I do 6 at a time, 15 minutes, and works great. Seems to be a good process. So I'm going to go get the oil, and I'm going to pull these out of here quickly, drop them in the oil, and then do another round of 6 eyelets. See, this is a very high-tech operation with my Pyrex and motor oil and a steel stir stick. And so I got to do this quick. I want to do it as quick as possible. Ow, that's hot. And here we go. Agitated so they're not sitting in the same spot. Now these eyelets I want as hard as possible. I'm not going to do any tempering afterwards, where you can kind of bring it like 500 degrees Fahrenheit to bring it some toughness. I just want these hard as possible. And my friend Chris has at his work, place of business, a Rockwell hardness tester, and these are achieving 65 on the C scale for hardness, 63 to 65, and that's ideal because it's going to have steel wire running across these eyelets all day long. So that's it. Then I load up another set of 6. And right now it's back up to 815 degrees Celsius, which is 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, these are in here for 15 minutes at 1,500 degrees. for 815 degrees Celsius. Now, when I open this, it'll drop down again. Nice temperature, but I'm not actually in a hurry now. It's okay. The quenching part, you need to get those parts quenched so it drops. So when they go in the oil, they are as close to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit as possible. Putting them in, I can take my time. Don't want to take too long though, because the has to heat back up. I don't want to wait too long for it to heat, lose too much heat. Okay, I went down to 700 degrees Celsius. Now it's on its way back up to 815 degrees Celsius, 1500 Fahrenheit. And when that, I'm going to start the timer on the phone here. And I have a 14-minute timer to kind of like tell me, hey, get over there to unload the parts. And then the 15-minute timer, I start them both at right when that gets to 815 degrees Celsius. So there we go. Another round of eyelets.